பின்னாடி நாயக்கர் என்ற பெயர் வருகின்றது. தங்களின் ஐயா அவர்களின் ஜாகிர் நாயக் என்ற பின்னாடி நாயக் என்ற பெயர் இருக்கின்றது. இதை இஸ்லாமிய எனது நண்பர்களிடம் கேள்வி கேட்பதற்கு எனக்கு தெரியாது, நீங்களே கேட்டு அந்த பதிலை எங்களுக்கு சொல்லுங்கள் என்று சொல்கிறார்கள். இதற்கு விளக்கம் சொல்லவும்.
சரியான क्वेश्चन.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. He is a Christian. His name is Alfonso. He has a question that your suffix name is Nayak. At the same time, there is a caste in Hinduism named Nayak. What does it mean? He has asked this to so many Muslim brothers where he doesn't find the answer. So he has come to you.
Can you repeat that there is a thing in Hinduism? There is a caste.
Caste.
Caste. As far as my knowledge of Sanskrit, Nayak means a mujahid. One Nayak means a hero, Nayak. Hero, Nayak means hero. The other meaning is mujahid, means a warrior, mujahid. So, if you translate into the Indian language, it means a warrior. It is my roots. I come from Konkan region. In Konkan, most of the surnames are my, you have Mukadam, you have the Kokani coming from Ratnagiri. Most of the, the surnames are similar to the Hindu and Muslim, is common, like Naik, Patel, Mukadam, all these are there, it's common, like Kalsekar, it's in both. So I come from the roots, and our beloved Prophet Muhammad said that don't change your roots. Your family name should not be changed. Your family name should not be changed because it helps you to identify your roots. Your name can be changed. If it involves shirk, you have to change your name. The roots, it should not. So Naik means a mujahid, means a hero, means a warrior in the Indian language. But because, my great-great-great-great-grandfather also may be Hindus, I don't know. I don't have Arab blood in me. I'm not an Arab, So, I don't know when, whether 100 years back, 200 years back, I haven't gone to the Sajara, to my roots. 100 years back, 200 years back, 300 years back, 400 years. I don't know when, but my great-great-great-great-grandfather also, maybe they were Hindus, so the name is coming from that, and the meaning is a hero, or maybe a mujahid, a warrior. Hope that answers the question.